Niklaus. What shall we do? I can't find my girl. I don't know what she's doing. Is she being true? Is she being lying? I don't know what she's doing wrong. I said, it's not her, it's you. He said, I'm so sorry. I'm so drunk. I don't know what's going on. I feel half dead. Maybe because it's LSD I'm on, I feel like I'm past dead. But honestly, I don't know what's going on. Half the world's black and half the world's red.
To the music.
I feel like I'm stuck in a shell that I cannot break through. Yes, I'm living in hell. Somebody come help me. You can't hear me, but you can't tell. But you can't tell me anything. I done went through hell and back, and I'm still standing here with my thumb out, sticking a sack, but I'm not talking about my genitals. If I'm not driving my mother's cars, maybe a couple rentals. And then I came up with a brilliant idea that maybe the city could be mine. Maybe this whole fucking city could be mine.